So Bonk coin is sitting at 2000 2033, and the overall situation of Bonk hasn't changed. This has been the support and the resistance has been 2500. We have discussed this thing over and over, and Bonk is trying to hold on to this support, and if it doesn't, I think I must have shared this already, that this is a double top at 2000. This is the neckline. If this thing breaks, Bonk is going to get really crappy. It's going to get messy and crappy, and it's going to go and drop towards minimum of 1800. That's the minimum drop that will happen if it loses the support of 2000. So it is in a very crucial area. It really needs to hold this area. If it doesn't, then it's going to deliver on this triple top, which is massive. This is on a daily, which is going to be horrible. Apart from that, there's nothing much to add. It broke its trend line that it had, and since then, this is on 4 hours. Since then, it is only going down, and we were talking about this at triple top here, and then it started going down, and it is going down, and it's stuck in this overall story. For Bonk to get bullish, it really needs to get its act together, because it is dropping more than the rest of the market, because it has dropped 4.4%, but that's not the case scenario with TIA or Dodge that have seen drop off. TIA is holding pretty well, but I mean holding well for today's drop, not overall TIA is doing horrible as well. And I'm saying that when Bitcoin dropped today, the rest of the market dropped. TIA held on to its area. Dodge did it as well, but that's not the case scenario with Bonk. Bonk is bleeding perpetually, and this is what I mean. If the market is good, it is still red. If market is bad, it is still red. It is staying red, and it doesn't care where the market is going. It just continues to stay red. So let's see what happens. Bonk has almost retraced everything that it has done by going up, and it is a double retracement, which is bearish, because when it started moving up, it retraced already, then it went up again. It shouldn't have retraced, and it should have just started going up again, but it retraced for the second time. That's generally seen as a negative thing, because why would a coin retrace for the second time that it has already retraced in the beginning of the rally? Generally, if the rally continues and it goes big, what happens is that you get a maximum of 50% retracement for a bullish case scenario. Those coins that are extremely bullish, they retrace to 20%, 30%, like we are seeing with Dodge. They don't retrace that much. But in case of Bonk, we saw retracement too early, and then it went up a little, and then it retraced the hell out of it again. So 2000, I think this is going to be pretty much most important area for me on Bonk. If it loses this area, it will definitely get bearish, not just because it has created double top. It's just the overall behavior of Bonk. I think as this is a meme coin, I think the overall community's bullishness is dying, because they all are going after other coins like Nairo and Ishi, and they're seeing something new and they're going after it. And I'm seeing some dead coins coming to life. Like I mentioned, Ishi, it was sitting at a market cap of $70,000 after it dropped from 8 million. And yesterday, I think it went to 2.2 million. So from 70,000 to 2.2 million, that's a big ass move. Of course, I think today is back to 1 million, but the thing is, it's still above 70,000 market cap. So new fresh money is flowing in, and this is the main problem with meme coins. People don't, the investors in it, you can't trust them. If they're serious projects like Link or Arbitrum or something else, they would still have some hope. Arbitrum fucked itself up by doubling the supply. That's the reason. Otherwise, Optimism, FTM, Arbitrum, if you look at it, they are sensible projects because they're developing. But when you look at Bonk, it has nothing to offer except community hype. And I think the overall community hype is dying out. That's why Bonk is struggling, and you're not seeing it holding on to area. So 2000 is going to be your last straw of hope. If Bonk doesn't hold this, then the bleeding is coming and you're going to see 1800 again.